Hey guys, here's my Casablanca Panama 2 with 4 blades. So here's the story. I forgot to tell it the 5 blade configuration, but that's okay. Here's the story about this fan. So this fan came out. I pulled 2 of these out of a house. Actually, not pull them out, but they had them just sitting there abandoned. Back in 2017 or something. I wanted a Panama since I was a kid, even a 3-speed one. Well, this came out of a house. Well, there used to be a landscaper the original owner of that house was really sick. A landscaper actually stayed there. And it was a really ugly house. Well, after the landscaper moved out, they sold it to somebody else, and somebody else had clutter in his garage, and he was trying to get rid of it, and I thought he could save the fans for me, and save the IntelliTouch control, in case if I wanted to get IntelliTouch fans that don't have controls, like my Saturn. But now I have the fans, so... Anyways, here's low. Well, 4-blade install reminds me of the Delta 2s at Fondle Mansion, the former home of country singer Barbara Mandrell. That's why I like Delta 2s with 4 blades. I wish the one at my mom's friend's house had 4 blades, but that's okay. I like Delta 2s better with 4 blades. Even the designer gray one. Designer gray one. I love the designer gray one. But those are rare. It's about low. It's got a nice low speed to it. Here is medium. Well, and another fan I wanted that goes low, medium, high was either a Dayton, Alaska or Cheyenne, Alaska. I don't know if there are any Cheyenne, Alaskas around Massachusetts. If I ever get like a Cheyenne, Alaska one day, I would probably... I want one of those ones with a huge spinner motor. The ones that go low, medium, high with those huge cast spinner motors. Those ones are powerful. Well, Cheyenne, Alaskas do go low, medium, high like Casablancas do. Here's high. I wonder if Cheyenne ever made an IntelliTouch that made the same tones like Casablanca. So that'd be kind of odd and silly. What the? I see it's perfectly balanced. I think I may need 2 screws on between the blades in order to balance out the blades. See, there's a little wobble there. I can run on high for as all as I want with 4 blades. Well, with 5 blades, it's going to wobble like hell. I prefer not to run on high with 5 blades. Unless if I have a balancing kit, or I clean out the blades. Maybe de-warp them. Now let's do airflow test. It moves more air with 4 blades. Well, the Cali Zephyrs, San Marinos, etc., or California Zephyrs, any badge fan, I prefer them with 5 blades. But any standard fan like a Delta 2 or this one, I probably prefer with 4 blades. This thing moves a lot of it, more air with 4 blades. Here's the solution I did to balance it. You can see the 2 screws that I used to balance it. It wobbles slightly though. Still wobbles a little slightly, but not too much. That's why I'm running on high for a little longer, because it's balanced. Anyways, now here is spin down. The Remake fans I've always wanted when I was a kid. Man, I've wanted the Crescent since I was a kid. Well, Crescents, by the way, are discontinued. which I'm kind of sad about. Well, I don't know when they discontinued the Crescent. But I know Cole has 2 Craftmate tripod fans. He has a white Constantina, while my dad's friends do have a pewter Constantina. If I ever go back there, I'd need to do a remake video of that fan. Since I love that fan. And a Crescent. A polished brass Crescent. Well, I don't like the Crescent that much, but I like the Constantina and the old Madrid. Those are the 2 tripod fans I like. I do like the Crescent, but I like the Constantina more, since it has 2 uplights. Wow, perfect spin down. Well, I'll show you the trick after it's done spinning down. Okay, so now let's show you the trick I did. Sorry I bumped that. Here's the trick I did. I put this screw right here. I hope this works next time. These screws right here, tightened in. Is this the blade with dust? No, one of the blades is dust though, but that's okay. I'm gonna put the screw right here. That's what balances it out, surprisingly. If it wobbles next time I do this, then maybe maybe I have to buy a balancing kit for this. Okay, now let's reverse it. Well, Cole actually does have 2 3-speed Panamas. They're all white. I saw 3-speed Panama on eBay, but I didn't want to get it since I already have 2 of them. If I get it, then if I work at Fanimation, I'll probably sell it. Sell or trade it. Sell or trade. That's it for low. Here is medium. What? I'm doing a video. I'm going to finish it up. Here's hi. Anyways, thanks for watching.